Download the apps BPI. After you download, open the apps BPI. Wait for the loading the apps. It takes a few seconds and then just choose next and get started. If you don't have an account in the BPI, you choose open account. If you have already an account in the BPI, register with an existing account. Me, I choose register with existing account because I have already an account in the BPI and I need only the online banking. After that, just press I understand. Then the screen will be like this, and then you will choose what type of card you have. So I will choose deposit because my card is a deposit account. And then you will put your account number. You will find the account number in the back of the envelope of the BPI that you received with your ATM card. That's why you must keep your envelope. Especially for the OFW workers that they make their account in abroad. You just answer all the questions in the screen below. It's very important also that you have an active number, and this number is your own number, not the other person's number, because the bank will send you an activation OTP number. You must have also an active email account to activate also the online banking. This is now you will create an username that very important, do not share, and the password that most very important, do not share also. And then you must have an active email account. Not only a few minutes or a few seconds, and then the OTP will come, and then just put the OTP. That's why I told you that very important that you have an active number, and the number must be your own number, not the other person's friend, because you have the only one to have the access of your account. After the OTP received, the screen will be like this. There is too much security for your account. They just want you to be secure. All like OTP number, register your account, and then register your cell phone, and then register your fingerprint, and then register your phone security number, and also they register your phone so that your account will be secure and nobody else will access your account. Now it's done. Now you can make an online transaction in the Philippines if you are in the abroad. But keep your envelope always, because when you go home in the Philippines, they will give you your password in the ATM, so you will change your password in the Philippines. But for now, we'll use the online banking for all OFW. Keep safe everyone. Bye. Keep your envelope.